as this new committee, we found a lot of problems, and we had no DG. When the DG was appointed, we called the entities and the department, including all their heads of departments. We wanted them to come with a turnaround strategy, a plan that is going to be agreeable to us and them, and that is going to be end of the day, when we end the term, has been fulfilled. And that was done. We all sat each entity one by one, and we went through the plans. They were the first ones to approve the plans of entities. We are in that process now. So what they have achieved, we understand. Thank you.
Thanks.
Speaker, the EFF objects. Thank you.
Thank you very much. The objection will be noted.